Digital thinking is about a way of how to work with ideas, how to discover them within yourself, how to develop them, how to systematize them, and how to grow them up, how to build specific buckets of ideas with the context and other things that you need to perform the better design and better final illustrations or whatever you want to create with them in the end. Usually you have a ton of information, pre-recorded videos, and then you do a lot of work alone, and then you will get a piece of feedback in the end of the week, maybe one or two. That's it. Here we're trying to recreate the atmosphere of the class when you work with your classmates, because that education in a group, it's way better experience and give you way more, because you learn not just from what you do, but from others, from your peers, and how they do that. And specifically in an age of AI, when ability to just make nice pictures is not enough, ability to make decisions, set goals, to think visually, and to understand what do you want to create and what specifics it has and what do you have unique inside of you to make this stand out will be super important, and this is what we will be focusing during that course. We will try different ways of working with ideas, and the course will slowly ramp up from very few sketches in the first few days to more sketches, and our sketches will be accompanied with the words and our thinking put on paper. And these two things, sketches and words and our different type of thinking, will work together, and we will see how they affect each other and how we can develop the not just single ideas, but how to build a net of ideas, how they support each other, how they help to form each other, how this net grows bigger, and how many answers, including design answers, how to do this, how to do that, will be kind of magically almost built from this context. Another key aspect of this course is that I work on my project together with the group, and the group can see my daily progress and my self-feedback, how I work on my project, what difficulties I face, and how do I solve that. Because I deeply believe that learning from others how they face problems and how they solve problems is the most crucial experience that very often is haven't presented. The knowledge from that course can be easily translated to the work projects, but we do focus on your very own projects during that course to help you form these instruments and patterns of work in a very safe environment and very inspirational environment of your inner passions, interests, and stuff you like. And then when you have these habits and understanding formed, you can apply this to the work projects. And I will show a few examples how. For the skill level requirement, is the best case scenario you do have some art education or you worked in the industry for a few years. This will be enough to get the most out of the course. In the end, you will not get the beautifully rendered picture you can put in your portfolio. No. Instead of that, you will get a bunch of different instruments like how to think, how to solve this problem, or what to do if I'm facing this type of problem, or how to do this more like interesting design, how to create a context for my design, etc., etc. Very like specific instruments for different like situation and how to work and ideas how to work on a bigger scale. You will get more than 400 sketches and ideas after this month. Some of our students said, and I'm really proud of it, that they haven't had so many ideas for the last year or more. They haven't thought about design so hard, intensively, and deep as during this month. If you're ready, work hard, develop your own way of creating ideas, work alongside others. Join me this January.